Hi ToyHound fans, this is ToyHound here to review the Amazing Spider-Man 2 movie Happy Meal toys, Light Up Spider-Man and Light Up Electro. And here they are, both of them. And I'll show you Spider-Man first, and he's number 1 of the 1 of 8 series. And that's what he looks like right there. Totally new design compared to the Amazing Spider-Man movie, the first movie that was in 2012. That's what it looks like on the back. And basically you push this switch in and it lights up like that. And then just for fun, a comparison I'll show you with the 2012 Hasbro super articulated Spider-Man. I think it had a different name, but I don't remember it. But that's what it looks like in comparison. Right there. This one's a darker blue, that one's more of a purplish blue. And I don't think the paint's exactly correct on it's not exactly correct to the movie on this one, but it is a McDonald's toy, so you can't expect accuracy. And just for fun, here's a comparison with the monogram Spider-Man figure that I previously reviewed. It basically has that similar design right here, just more complex. But it does stay true to the tradition of the older costume. It is right there. And now we're done with Spider-Man. First I'll show you quick. He does have arms that turn all the way around. Right there. There's no bendability in the feet. But there's Spider-Man. And now on to Electro. Right there. Nice painted detail on him. Nice molded in detail too. I do plan on seeing the movie. And then other molded in detail. Then you just push his button in and it does that. And let's see. It lights up like that. And we'll do Spider-Man 2. And that's pretty much it for the figures. Electro, his arms do turn before ending the video. His arms do turn and they are painted up nicely. There is a $9 version of Electro that's more accurate. This one he's got that whole zombie thing going on, which is kind of weird. But if you just want the light up gimmick, kind of like the $9 version has, it's cool to have. The whole chest area doesn't light up, but that's okay. And you don't have a lot of money invested in it. And I wanted a couple of the characters from the movie, main characters, and I thought it was a good price for what you pay for them. And I bought these separately. I didn't buy the Happy Meals. I did purchase these toys separately. And if you'd like to see more videos, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for more reviews.